in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
This is the third Grand Paragat Festival, and let the celebration begin. So welcome us all. Please join me in welcoming with a resounding applause a leader whose passion and commitment in serving her constituents is beyond measure. Ladies and gentlemen, the Vice Governor of the Province of Misamis Occidental, Honorable Rowena L. Gutierrez.
Malinawon, malambon, o malipayon sa pagsaulog sa ika-90 City anniversaryo among minahal nga probinsya sa Misamis Occidental. What a wonderful day to celebrate the goodness of God. Una sa tanan, atong pasalamatan si Reverend Father Edgar Canama, atong Parish Priest sa Oroqueta City, for leading us in prayer as we start this memorable event today. To our esteemed guest of honor in today's affair, our first guest who has been a public servant for decades and have molded her own distinct brand of proactive and innovative leadership, Senator Amy Marcos. Our next guest is a visionary leader with a dual role in a corporate and government spheres who emerged as powerful force for positive change. Las Piñas Lone District Representative, Congresswoman Camille Villar. Also, we are honored to have with us today Yusik Ferdinand Umapaw from the Department of Tourism. Sir. To the regional directors present, R.D. Mi Ochuan and R.D. Mala Carino. Akong nakumpagyugbo sa atong mapinanggaon nga amahan sa probinsya, ang nagdalas sa pag-asenso sa Misamis Occidental, our very hard-working governor, Attorney Henry Sevilla Waminal. Usab sa atong mga kaabag sa Kongreso, for District 1, Congressman Jason P. Almonte. For District 2, Congressman Fernando Sancho Ando F. Waminal. To our competent and supportive Sangguniang Panglalawigan board members for District 1 and District 2, ug mga secretarial representatives, especially to Chairperson of the Committee of Tourism, the owner of today's event, our lovely board member, Duna R. Iog. To our dynamic city and municipal mayors from the respective municipalities and cities within our province, e dumanan sa ilang mga lokal nga opisyales. Also to our active PGMO department heads and employees, provincial directors from the different national agencies, to our energetic contingent from the different city and municipalities, and even from our nearby provinces. Ug sa tanang mga kahigalian, pamilya, akong mga kaigsuunang misamisnon nga nikuyo sa atong pagsaulog sa 95 provincial anniversary pirangat, maayong asenso sa tanan. The subaning terms pirangat embodies overall of the team Asenso administration, strongly led by our beloved Governor Attorney Henry S. Waminal, which is for the entire province to progress. Pag-asenso sa matag misamisnon, matag pamilya, ug uban pa sa matag lungsod ug syudad within our jurisdiction. Kani nga paglaom idumanan sa atong panaghiusa, pagpaningkamot, pagtinabangay o pagminahalay. Mao'y atong mahimong realidad, hingpit ang atong pagtuo, nga atong makabot ang tiunay, nga pagpuyong malinawon, malambon o malipayon, isip mga misamisnon. Anniversaries are testament of our perseverance and strength over the years, with which we can reflect as to how far we've gone through the past, till to where we are today. Personally, makapasigarbo ko nga ako misamisnon kay layo na ang hulagway ug dungog sa atong probinsya, sukad nga ang Team Asenso ang nagdumala, headed by Governor Henry. Kung atong ikumpara ang Misamis Occidental sa atong unsak kini kaniadto. Bisan pa man sa atong pang-celebrar karon sa atong provincial anniversary, makaingon ko, this is the best provincial anniversary celebration our province ever had so far. I know everyone is already excited, so at this juncture, I formally all our 95 provincial anniversary Pirangat Festival celebration. Misamis Occidental is the best provinces to live in. Ug manghinaot ko nga sama nako, ikaw pod igsoon, proud nga ikaw misamisnon. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Daghang salamat padayon sa pag-asenso minahal namong probinsya sa Misamis Occidental.
Lady, thank you so much. And once again, Vice Governor Weng Gutierrez. Ladies and gentlemen, festival goers and dance enthusiasts, the moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. It's time to kick off the Grand Pirangat Festival 2024 Grand Showdown. Are you guys ready? Excited na ba ang tanan? Oh, I love that energy because today our stage will come alive with a vibrant energy and incredible talent of our local and invited dancers, showcasing the rich cultural heritage that defines our community. Get ready to be amazed, inspired, and uplifted by the magic of dance. Let the showdown begin with contingent number 1. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, contingent number 1 is a merged contingent from Tribo Distro Ono, encompassing the different municipalities of Concepcion, Sapang-Dalaga, Calamba, Baliangao, Plaridel, Lopez Haina, and Aluran.
Gampia Gandao, the Ginsalugan Subanen of District 1 rely on farming for both food and livelihood, with maize as one of their primary crops. Our story highlights the celebration of the bountiful maize harvest, a symbol of Parangat, bringing not only sustenance, but also as an additional income for the community. However, when the comprador arrived, he offered a low price for the maize, which some farmers found it unacceptable. This divided the Subanen community, some wanting to sell at a lower price, while others disagreed, leading to a conflict. Just in time, a provincial official intervened, resolving the conflict by offering the farmers an Ascenso project, a corn mill with a storage facility. With this, they could sell milled maize at a higher price. In gratitude for the harvest, the Subanen performed the Pasungko, a Thanksgiving ritual followed by the Pauyong, a ritual done before the start of a project to seek blessings from Apo Aglay Magbabaza. Once completed, they celebrate through a dance, thanking the Ascenso program under the governor, Attorney Henry S. Waminal, hoping it brings Parangat for all. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the first contingent and the defending champion of the Parangat Festival 2023, representing Aluran, Concepcion, Baliangao, Sapang-Dalaga, Plaridel, Lopez Haina, and Calamba. Let's give it up to Tribo Distrito 1 of Misamis Occidental.
Manangay ni Dabi, paladag nami katuto, buwan na maparadyo. jug ijinya pata sa tubo na tinubura.
Comprador! Congratulations, Distrito 1!
Ladies and gentlemen, that was entry number 1. Wow, it was really a good start as we kick off this Grand Pirangat Festival 2024. And now, to introduce this year's keynote speaker, it is my pleasure to introduce a dynamic and devoted public servant who has been a tireless advocate for the first district of Misamis Occidental. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Honorable Congressman Jason P. Almonte.
Mayong misok kanatong tanan. Mayong hapon kanatong tanan. Miss Ok at 95. Daghang salamat. Ako ang dakong honor or privilege para i-introduce nato ang atong one of the keynote speaker kanatong tanan karong adlaw, ang Deputy Speaker sa 19th Congress, Congresswoman Deputy Speaker Camille Villar. You know, Camille is a force to be reckoned with, both in business and in government. She is the driving force behind the growth of the brand's all-day supermarket, all home, and coffee project. But of the 50 years that the Camellia Homes was introduced to the Philippines, Camille was named after Camellia Homes. Her leadership in business mirrors her passion for public service, focus and impactful, and with the welfare of the people at heart. Since stepping into public service in 2019, Camille has worked tirelessly to uplift the lives of Filipinos. She has authored and supported key legislative measures aimed at improving healthcare, of course, housing, education, and livelihood. Her legislative work prioritizes affordable housing for marginalized communities, expanding access to quality education, and strengthening for SMEs. Her dedication to public welfare is evident in her tireless work during the pandemic, where she helped spearhead relief efforts for those affected. Her commitment has not gone unnoticed, as she was awarded Government Hero of the Year and the Silver TV Award for Female Executive of the Year in Asia in the year 2022. Camille is also a dedicated advocate for the welfare of women and children, championing the laws that safeguard their rights, promote gender equality, and ensure they have access to education and services. As one of the youngest deputy speakers in our country's history, Camille embodies fresh energy and dynamic leadership. Her slogan, "Bagong Boses, Bagong Bukas," perfectly aligns with the spirit of Misamis Occidental at 95, Asenso na. Just like the Misamis Occidental, which continues to rise with our Asenso Miss Ok initiative. Camille's vision brings hope to a brighter future for all Filipinos. Our NP Senator ng Asenso. Again, our NP Senator sa Asenso. Welcome to the Orange and NP country, Boss Camille. Welcome to Misamis Occidental. Let us all welcome my boss, Deputy Speaker Camille Villar.
Maayong adlaw sa atong tanan. Nalipay ako nakaanhi diri karon. And of course, I would like to greet una sa lahat ang parang isang ama na po sa akin. Our beloved Governor Henry Omenal. Maraming salamat po for always welcoming me to what for me is like my second home. Sa pag pumupunta po ako sa Misamis Occidental, para pong nasa Las Piñas lang ako or parang bumibisita lang po ako sa aking pamilya. Dahil at home na po ako dito. And of course, Vice Governor Rowena Gutierrez, and my beloved colleagues na napakagaling sa Kongreso, 1st District Representative Congressman Jason Amonte, 2nd District Representative Congressman Ando Omenal, and of course, I also saw Undersecretary Ferdinand Rumapao of the Department of Tourism. And to all of our provincial board members, also to all of our mayors of the cities and municipalities, vice mayors, councilors, barangay officials, Ascenso Pinoy candidates and leaders, and of course, a woman I admire so much. And I'm so honored to be here with her, our beloved Senator Amy Marcos. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa inyo pong mainit na pagtanggap po sa amin dito sa Misamis Occidental. Gaya po ng sinabi ko, every time I have come here, I have never felt more proud. I have never felt a more welcoming family, and I have never felt so happy and honored. So thank you for always inviting us and always welcoming us here. At higit sa lahat, pinaka-exciting po ito dahil ngayon po, mawi-witness na po namin ang ating 3rd Grand Perangat Festival. At happy birthday din po dahil 95th founding anniversary na rin po pala ng Misamis Occidental. So gaya nga ng sinabi ng Congressman Jay ay 95 asenso na, mas aasenso pa. Initiatives like this Grand Perangat Festival are not only truly beautiful, but are something to be proud of, not just in the province of Misamis Occidental, but in the whole of the Philippines. Dapat tinutularan to. Dahil ang Perangat Festival ay isang patunay ng pagkakaisa at pagmamahal sa kultura. Sa pagdiriwang na ito, nakikita din natin kung paano nyo ipinagmamalaki ang inyong tradisyon mula sa mga sayaw na nagpapakita ng kwento ng Misamis Occidental hanggang sa mga makukulay na palamuti at ritual na bumubuo ng ating kasaysayan. Ang ganitong mga pagdiriwang ay nagsisilbing tanda ng kahalagahan ng ating kultura at tradisyon sa pagbuo ng ating history at identity bilang isang probinsya or lalawigan. Pero, pag bumabalik ako sa Misamis Occidental, oo, paganda ng paganda ito, paasenso ng paasenso ito. Pero naniniwala ako na ang likas na yaman talaga ng Misamis Occidental ay lahat po kayo. There is no other warmth than the people of this province. At nagpapasalamat po kami sa walang sawang suporta ninyo, sa aming buong pamilya, from former Senate President Mark Villar, Senator Cynthia Villar, and my brother, Senator Mark Villar. Talagang para sa amin, pangalawang hometown na po namin ang buong lalawigan ng Misamis Occidental. At ang binabalik-balikan po namin dito, hindi lang ang napakaganda nyong environment, mga proyekto nyo, kundi kayo pong lahat. So sana po, wag po kayong magsawa na i-welcome kami at imbitahan po kami dito. Sa lahat po ng nakidalo, nag-perform, at lalong-lalo na sa naging bahagi ng paghahanda ng programang ito, congratulations! Talagang nakikita natin ang talent and creativity ninyong lahat. At sigurado ako sa darating pang mga taon at darating pang panahon, mas palaki ng palaki, mas paganda ng paganda pa ang Perangat Festival. At nandito rin po ako, hindi ko na po pahahabain ang aking mensahe. Dahil napakaganda na po at ready na po ang ating mga sayaw. Pero kailangan ko lang po sabihin ulit na nakikiisa po ang aming pamilya, ang pamilya Villar, sa inyong lahat, sa ating provincial government, led of course by our beloved Governor Henry Omenal, but pati rin sa buong lalawigan, nandito po ang aming pamilya palagi para sa inyo. Si Senator Cynthia Villar, Senator Mark Villar, maging ako po si Camille Villar, ipapagpatuloy po natin lahat ng mga programa natin dito, lahat ng pagtulong natin dito. Nakikiisa po kami sa inyong lahat. Sama-sama po tayong mangarap para sa mas magandang Misamis Occidental at sama-sama po nating pagtrabahuan na lalong matupad ang mga pangarap na yan, na lalong gumanda ang Misamis at lalong umasenso ang buhay naming lahat. Na andito po kami para sa inyo palagi. Makakaasa po kayo. So marami po tayong magandang proyekto at sa susunod ay mas marami pa po tayong mga magandang proyekto dito. Again, mula sa aking puso, maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita niyo po sa akin at sa pagkakataon na ibinigay niyo po sa akin para makasama kayo at makiselebrate po sa inyo. Here's to the next 95 years and to an even better 95 years for Misamis Occidental. Daghang salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Ladies and gentlemen, ang bagong boses, bagong bukas, Deputy Speaker, Honorable Camille Villar.
One TV special report.